Welcome to IQClass 1's animation tutorial. Learn how to use preparing mode to add animations and bring your lessons to life. To add animation elements from your own computer, teachers need to enter preparing mode by selecting menu mode, preparing mode. You can insert tables, mind maps, and multimedia resources directly on the whiteboard. Select an object on the whiteboard, such as a shape, image, and click the animation button on the taskbar. Under Object Animation, you can choose Appear animations like None, Fade in, Wipe in, Move in, Zoom in, or Line. Emphasize animations like Customize, Straight line. Disappear animations like Fade out, Wipe out, Move out, Float out, or Zoom out. With Animation Sequence, you can control the order and speed of each animation, making your presentation smoother. To add animations to entire pages, start by entering Preparing Mode. Go to Menu Mode, Preparing Mode. There are two modules: Page Animation, None, Fade in, Push in, and Wipe. Animation Sequence. Adjust the speed of page animations for a smoother presentation. To present the animations during class, you must switch to teaching mode, then use the previous and next buttons on the toolbar to navigate through your pages. This will activate the animations you set earlier. With IQClass 1's preparing mode, you can create animated, interactive lessons that capture attention, clarify complex concepts, and make learning fun. Let your content move with purpose, bringing lessons to life, one animation at a time.